It was a Friday night, and to me at the time it felt like just any other Friday night. There was nothing special about this. The next thing I knew, it was 3 o'clock. The lights came on, club was closed, and it was time to go home. We got into my car, rolled down the windows, turned up the music. To me, it was just another Friday night, and I certainly never thought that February 25th, 2006 would be the night that I would end up killing my best friend.
Having been told that she had been drinking and driving, and having just seen the first dead body of my prosecutorial career, was fairly emotional. From there, the next time that I saw Jessica was in court at our first pre-trial conference. That hearing was for the purpose of determining whether the judge would grant Jessica a lesser sentence. In the state of Florida, DUI manslaughter carries 10.5 to 15 years in prison, and Jessica was attempting to lessen her sentence. And having developed a relationship with the Gormans at this point, and in doing my job, I looked at her as the person who killed Laura Gorman.
1 month after the fatal crash, Jessica was arrested and charged with DUI manslaughter. Prosecutors, following the Gormans' wishes, said they would seek the maximum sentence, 15 years in prison.
To me, Rohom was the enemy. You know, in my mind at that time, all I could see was that it was his personal mission to ruin my life. Just a few weeks earlier, my biggest concern was what I was going to write a paper about or studying for midterms. And now here I was thinking about, was I going to be spending the next 15 years of my life in prison?
When we give our speeches and Jessica is giving her presentation to an audience who is hearing from someone who has been through this, who committed the crime and served the punishment, I think it's important after she's done with her portion of the speech to give the other side so that they not only appreciate what Jessica has been through, but what they could be facing and the severity of the circumstance if they ever make a decision like the one that she made.
Here we are, the probably two last people you would ever expect to be friends, and I'm incredibly thankful that we're able to work together.
We have truly joined together to make it our mission to at least affect one person's life in the room in each of the speeches we give.